Good morning, and of course Thursday morning assemblies are usually our opportunity to dive into the archives of Westhouse School and see what we can come up with. Well, we haven't had to dive that deep on this occasion, because what we have done today for you is just take a look back at the journey that our Year 6 boys have taken during their time with us here at Westhouse. And you're going to see a short video going back through the years and then moving forward so you can see for yourselves the journey that these boys have been on as they head towards the top end of this school and prepare themselves to enter a wider world. Within this video you'll see some of our fine Year 6 boys as very, very young men indeed at the beginning of their journey, and it brings to mind a particular individual who at the age of 3 was brought along into the study by his key worker, and he sang in this study full of gusto, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star," and he sang it with immense passion. That same young man is now grade 8 on one musical instrument, grade 7 on 2 other musical instruments, and is heading off to King Edward's School on a double scholarship in academics and in music. And I remember quite clearly the day when he stood in this study and sang "Twinkle, twinkle, the little star." What a fantastic voyage. I sincerely hope you enjoy what you're about to see. And so you see where the journey at Westhouse School almost ends. We are sincerely hoping that these Year 6 boys will have the opportunity to gather together once again at a safe 2 metres distance in the second half of term before they head off to pastures new. And it is perhaps a moment when we turn our attention to those beginning the journey or about to begin the journey. We would normally at this time of year be showing people around Westhouse School, telling them about our story, telling them about the fantastic journey before we welcome their young boys and indeed young girls into EYFS in September. That of course can't be done. But we are hosting 2 remote open days. So it is an opportunity for anyone who is considering Westhouse School to come along, if you like, albeit remotely, and experience something of what the school is about. We are holding a remote open day on Friday the 22nd of May, and we are holding a remote open day on Saturday the 13th of June. And it is perhaps also an opportunity for parents of children in EYFS to come along remotely also. Details of those open days are on the website, and parents submit an interest form which we receive and we do the rest. So if you happen to know anyone out there who is considering Westhouse School, then do of course encourage them to come along. There will be live questions and answers with the headmaster. In the meantime, I wish you all a very, very safe end of the week, a safe weekend, and I look forward to seeing you in due course.